Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a good question based on property of numbers. So the question is, there is a four-digit number which when multiplied by 4, the digits gets reversed. We need to find the sum of digit of that number. So let us assume that the number was ABCD. When this number is multiplied by 4, the digits gets reversed. So the number becomes DCBA. Fine. Now, let us write this number in expanded form. So we will have 4 into 1000 A plus 100B. Since A is at 1000 position, we'll write it as 1000 A. B is at 100 position, so 100B. Now C is at 10th position, so 10C, and D at 1st position, so simply D. And this must be equal to 1000 times D plus 100C plus 10B plus A. So we have written the number in expanded form. On solving this equation, we'll get 3999 times A plus 390 times B, and this must be equal to 60C plus 996 times D. I've simply simplified this equation. Now further, to simplify more, we'll divide the equation by 3. We'll get 1333 times A plus 130 times B, and this must be equal to 20C plus 332 times D. Now let us focus on this. Now the value of A can be either 1 or 2 only. Why not more than 2? Because suppose if the value of A is some number which is 3000 something. Now to multiply this number 3000 something by 4, we'll get a 5-digit number. It will become 12,000 something, right? So the value of A can be either 1 or 2, since the resultant is a 4-digit number only. From here we can say that value of A cannot be more than 2. Now second thing, now this DCBA is an even number. Why even? Because this is something which we are getting after multiplying the number by 4. So 4 into something is definitely going to be even. So from here we can say that since A is the unit digit, so it has to be even. So we can ignore this 1 as well. So we can definitely say from here that the value of A is 2. Now if the value of A is 2, so the value of D can be either 8 or 9. Not more than that, because it is a 4-digit number only. Now since, let us assume the value of D is 9. Now 4 into 9 will end up in 6. But the value of A is 2. And if we assume the value of D is 8, so 4 into 8 will end up in 2. So this is the correct option. Fine. So we can ignore this value as well. So we have got the value of two variables out of 4, A is 2 and D is 9. So substituting the value, we'll get 2666 plus 130 times B, and this must be equal to 20 times C plus 332 into 8, which will make it, I think, 2656. On further solving, we'll get 10 plus 130B is equal to 20C. And dividing the equation by 10, we'll get 1 plus 13B is equal to 2C. Fine. Now we have already got the value of A and D. Now we need to find the value of B and C. Now again, this DCBA is a number which is divisible by 4, and we know that the divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. And out of last 2 digits, last digit is known to us, that is 2. So to make it divisible by 4, either here we can substitute the value of B as 1, fine, or it can be 32, or it can be 52, or it can be 72 or 92. So we have 5 options for value of B. Now, well, let us consider all the 5 cases. When the value of B is 1, so we'll substitute the value here. We'll get 2C equal to 14, and from here we'll get the value of C as 7. Now we substitute the value of B as 3. So this will become 2C is equal to 40. Now since we know that C is a single digit, so it cannot be 20. This is wrong. And similarly, we can ignore all the other values of B as well. We can simply ignore B is equal to 5. We can ignore B equal to 7. We can ignore B equal to 9. Why? Reason is same. Because this will end up in a value of C which is of more than 2 digits. But C is a single digit number. So this is the only case this is possible. So we can say that the value of A is definitely 2. That of B is 1. That of C is 7. And that of D is 8. So the number becomes 2178. And when we multiply this number by 4, we'll get 8712, which is exactly the reverse of this particular number. In the question, we were asked about the sum of digits. So the sum of digit is 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8, which makes it 18. So the answer to this question is 18. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.